yourself in difficult and frustrating situation to homeschool your child, you are certainly not alone. The sudden requirement to become their educator has been stressful for many of us. So here I have some tips to help you all. The key is to be flexible and ensure you create a plan that works for your family. Different kids will do best in different learning environments. At home, play and learning can be integrated so closely that kids will rarely know where one ends and the other begins. Every concept you introduce is an exciting adventure, and they are eager to learn and experiment what they learned. Curriculum can be as involved as simple as you want to be. Setting up a designated place and time for learning plays a very important role in homeschooling. While it's good to have a general daily routine, you can also be flexible. It's okay to let your kids sleep a little later than usual. As you can see in the video, I am teaching my child all the basic things which will help him to be a successful kindergartner. But we have to keep in mind that every country has a different education system with different teaching pattern. So, as a parent, we should understand what we want our child to know, what we want our child to learn, rather than stressing ourselves and forcing our kids to learn more things beyond their capacity. Because every child is different, and don't compare your child to other child. I believe to go with the flow according to your child capacity. Create your own syllables and teach them. Do a research and find out what your child can learn according to their age. Slowly and gradually include all those things in their daily lives. But don't expect that they will know everything at the same time. Consistency plays a very important role over here, and we have to keep lot of patience. So initially I have introduced numbers, alphabets, and gradually ask him to write all the family members' name. Started with 2 letters, 3 letters word, then gradually increasing it to writing 7 days in a week. Slowly and gradually including higher mathematics according to his capacity. Apart from writing, we also play a lot of educational games which help them to learn in different ways. So try to find different ways to teach your child. Story time. Telling your child stories and letting them tell stories to you as well. So that can be in the form of drawing and creating their own stories. Here you can ask them to copy the storybook in their own way. Also try to teach your child different languages like your own mother tongue, which will help them to communicate very well with their grandparents. Playing plays a very important part in child's life, so let them play whenever they want to. It's very important that your child should develop some hobby in the early age. Taking care of your mental and physical health plays a very important role. So teach them all these things from the early age. Focus, self-control to achieve goals, especially in the world filled with distraction and information overloaded. So these are the important skills child should learn from the early age. It is very important nowadays to take care of child's mental health. So let them express their feelings. Mental health will allow your child to think clearly, develop socially, and learn new skills. Additionally, good friends, encouraging words from adults are all important for helping your child to develop self-confidence, high self-esteem, and healthy emotional outlook on their life. So here I end my video today. So hope you guys like my today's video. So please let me know in the comment box below how you are homeschooling your child. I will see you back in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.